Sydney, how do you rock? Oh, now that I want you to do it, you're not going to do it good. What do you think, Cadence? What do you think?
Mama.
What?
Okay. Mama.
You want the iPad? What?
Hi.
Yeah, it's the iPad.
Ian.
You want the iPad to go to Cadence?
Hey.
Okay. Well, we gotta say goodbye then. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Sydney. She's like, what?